right, ladies, heave. Watch the left side, pull it up slow. Clear the grating now.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the head there.
Easy, easy. Looks good right here.
Confirmed. Setting it down now. Clear the sides.
Check the alignment here.
Looks good. Ready for the conveyor. Make sure they're completely clear before crating. We can't afford contamination.
Make sure you get the edges.
I am almost done here.
Hey, clear the line.
We need more salt on station 3.
Checking tank 3. The salinity is exactly where it needs to be.
Good, I just rotated the shells in tank 4.
Scanning complete. All sheets approved for processing. Make sure the grain is aligned correctly before marking.
Yes, I will check the QC stamp.
Make sure the alignment is precise on that next sheet. Ready for the next batch over here?
Watch the alignment on the curve, keep that seam straight, and make sure the tension is correct. Panel aligned, ready for stitching. Bring the next one up quickly. Check the seam alignment here. It has to be exact. Looks good, no frayed edges. Make sure the velvet is perfectly aligned on that batch. I already checked the first 5 trays, they look good.
We need another pallet of the black inserts over here. Bringing it now?
Watch the clearance on the left. Easy, easy.
Okay, that's good. Lock it down.
Straps are tight. We are good to go for scene 72.
The quality of this leather is remarkable. How long does the warranty last?
It has a lifetime warranty, sir.
It's designed to be an heirloom piece.